in debt up to my eyeballs.
Told me he rode before. Stop! 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 My nice small picture. Look right. Get up.
This is a size 56 in the Veloster. And you're how tall?
I'm 6'1".
And you weigh?
About 190 pounds.
And your waist was about?
34.
Okay, now you look at this suit. This gives Dalton a little more operating room. See here in the arms, right? He's got a little room to work with. As he moves around, kind of rotate here. You see in the back, we've got a little bit of excess material, right? And stop right there. And if you'll just kind of get in a race tuck position, you'll see that just allows him to really move around, and that's all taken up when he gets on the bike. So as he's on the bike, it's all taken up. But this is going to be more.
I don't feel the pressure. I get to that check quick. Why niggas wanna test me? Wow, they cannot be less lit. I come from that left side. Won't move without discretion. Yeah, look, I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, ladder ties in the hearse.
Kidding me right now, dude?
Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint.